Here I have EssentielB HeYou 60, and today I'm going to show you how to remove screen lock from this device in case if you set yourself PIN, pattern, or just password, and unfortunately you forget it and now you just can't even unlock your device. So what you can do in this kind of a miserable situation? Firstly, you have to turn your device off, and after it turns off completely, you have to hold down combination of keys, power key and volume up at the same time for a couple of seconds like this. After the screen turns on, you can release power key and keep holding only volume up. In this kind of menu, you have to use volume keys to navigate and power key to select, and you have to select an option Wipe Data Factory Reset, and then select the second option Factory Data Reset to confirm it. And after you see the message Data Wipe Complete, you can select the first option Reboot System Now, and after that your device will be restarted in a couple of minutes. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.